Welcome to Jade High, Higher Consciousness Through Movement. We're hopping right into learning our 5th yoga dance fusion track of the workshop. This is your dynamic balance track. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm going to help you learn to fuse yoga with dance with counts to create choreography and match that choreography to the music for a fun workout. If you're new or not yet warmed up, I would recommend doing tracks 1 through 4 first before this one. I'll link those in the description of this video. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start standing at the front of our mat in a parallel position. Once you hear the music, you'll wait 2 8 counts before movement. After those 2 8s, you'll pedal out through the feet 8 times for a total of 16 counts. It'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after that last heel lowers on the count of 8, we're going to inhale the arms up overhead. We're going to exhale, dive down, forward folding. We'll bend the knees, take the eyes forward. Exhale, extend the legs, look back. Do it one more time, bend the knees, look forward. Extend the legs, look back. Third time, drop the hips all the way down, find a parallel squat position. It'll look just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know it seems quite quick, but it's only quick when I'm actually verbalizing it with the music and the movement. It's going to feel slower than that. Let's add on. So we arrive in that squat position to hold for an 8 count. We'll inhale the arms up overhead, interlacing the fingers, pressing the palms up to the ceiling. We'll slowly rise up on releve and then follow with 4 drop swings of the arms. Let's see it. Arrive 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach 2, 3, 4, 5. Interlace. Press the palms 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rise. Here's the drop swing. 1, 2, 3. Left arm lengthens. Reach up. Right arm lengthens. Reach up. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that drop swing sequence from the front. Take note of the arms really giving into gravity here. I'm going to slow this down a little bit. Let's watch gravity here. Take over the arm swing. Eyes look down, arms reach up, left arm drops, eyes go to the right wrist. Inhale up. We do it again. This time the opposite arm lengthens down, eyes go up, as though you were hanging by your wrist from the ceiling. And we'll do this drop swing sequence for a total of 4 times. Okay, let's take it from the top and put everything together. We start towards the front of our mat, feet are parallel. We wait for 2 8 counts before we begin moving. And 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, lift the gaze. Exhale, extend the legs. Again, inhale, exhale, extend. Inhale, squat all the way down, shoulders back. Hold. 5, 6, 7, inhale, lift. 5, 6, 7, press the palms. 5, 6, 7, press down, lift up to rise. Drop swings, drop swing. Left arm down, reach up, drop swing. Right arm falls, reach up 2 more times. Left arm, last time drop swing, right arm. So now we're at the point in the choreography where we do a full vinyasa. You have 4 8 counts to do that. So it's up to you how you want to spend that time. You can spend a little extra time in a down dog, in a forward fold, maybe sneak in a couple extra push-ups. It's up to you. You just have to be ready in down dog by the end of the 4th 8 count. So I'm about to show you a full expression of what a vinyasa looks like. Feel free to modify any way you need. For clarity and precision, let's see that one more time. Moving on, I'll guide and count with you through this next section. Right leg lifts, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pull it through, runner's lunge, 5, 6, 7, high crescent, arrive, 6, 7, and hold. Reach up and twist, square off to the front, prepare for drop swing, arms drop, keep your weight back, transition forward, warrior 3, thread it through, one-legged Tadasana. We do it again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and pull through, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shoot it back, warrior 1. Okay, let's review that section. Use this review to take it in with your eyes, maybe mark with your body, and I'm going to guide you from one moment to the next. From down dog, right leg lifts up to three-legged dog. We pull the knee through, set up runner's lunge. Inhale, lift the arms, arrive high crescent lunge. Hold it here briefly. Reach up and twist, revolving. Inhale, square off to the front. Drop swing both arms buoyant through the legs. Keep your weight back. Arrive slowly to warrior 3, weight in the front. Thread through that back knee, sit up tall, Tadasana one-legged. Again, we drop the chest and the heel back. Stand up tall, one-legged Tadasana. Shoot back, find warrior 1. Okay, great. Almost done, guys. We're doing great. We're going to take everything we've learned up until now from the very top, so we can start stringing that choreography together and see what it feels like in our bodies. Here's your review. We start at the top of the mat, parallel position, waiting 2 8 counts. We walk out through the feet 8 times. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale up, exhale, fold. Then the knees look forward, exhale, look back. Repeat. Last time, drops all the way down to a parallel squat. Roll those shoulders back and stay. You'll inhale the arms up, gathering the space, interlace the fingertips. Press down to lift up. Prepare for drop swings. Left arm drops first. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and fold. This is your vinyasa. Remember, you have 8 counts to complete this vinyasa. Prepare right leg to lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull through. 2, 3, 4. Runner's lunge. Prepare high crescent. And hold. And revolve. Square it off. Both arms drop swing. Keep your weight back. Transition forward. Warrior 3. Thread back knee through. Stand tall. Repeat. Shoot the toes back. Drop the chest. Thread it through. Shoot toes back. Warrior 1. Okay, let's finish this off. So let's go from warrior 1. We'll hold warrior 1 for a quick 8. Open up to warrior 2, where we hold and then transition to the front of the mat for the other side. Let's get a visual on what that looks like. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, open 7, 8, warrior 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Transition 6, 7, 8, pedal out. 3, 5, 7, 8. So from this place in the choreography, we simply repeat the vinyasa we've already done. So again, we have 4 8 counts to do that. So just as before, you have exactly the same amount of music to move through your vinyasa and end up in downward dog. From there, we'll move on to the other side. Are you guys ready to try all of this together? You have all of the material. You can watch this video as many times as you need to be ready to execute the choreography. Just know you do exactly the same thing on one side as you do on the other. Okay, here is the full execution of your dynamic balance track, including the music. Let's do this. Remember, you hold the first 2 8 counts at the front of your mat.